look who we have here with us today. Spice Boy. Hello, babies. It's vacation. In 5 days, it will be my birthday. Look who came and said hi. Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. Here, Fluffy. How's it going? Good? A panther. Hey, buddy. Oh my goodness. Shadow. He made it. Hey, Shadow. Come on, Buttercup. Come on, kitty. You missed out yesterday. Now come on, so you can get some. Really, Jellybean? Okay, let's go grab some food. I know you guys are hungry. Let's go. Come on, kitties. You're included too, Miko. Now let's see if Sugar's gonna meet us, because except for Stripey, because he's not usually here all the time. We just need to figure out where Sugar is. Yeah, Sugar and Stripey. Only ones not accounted for. Oh wait. Oh yeah. Where's Spot? Spot! Not like you to miss out. Do you know where Spot is? Huh. You got ahead of yourself, huh? Couldn't wait for us. At least you're accounted for. And look who's here. Sugar. Okay, everybody's here and the friendly cat. Except for the old cranky man, Stripey. Huh? Everybody but Stripey's here. Well, kitties, let's go get some food. I know you want some.